In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spot rising topics in Google Trends fast and easy. This process is incredibly useful for understanding what's trending and can be pivotal for content creation, strategic marketing, or simply staying up to date with the latest buzz. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Google Trends. It's a free and easy-to-use tool that Google offers, allowing you to see what people are currently interested in and talking about worldwide. Once you've reached the Google Trends homepage, you'll notice a search box. Here, type in any keyword or topic that you're curious about. This keyword could be anything from a specific name or event to broader subjects like technology or sports. After typing your keyword, go ahead and click on the Explore button. This will direct you to an interactive area where Google displays the interest in your chosen topic over time. Now let's talk about filters. They are crucial in narrowing down your search to get the most relevant data. Pay attention to the filters on the page, which allow you to customize your search. You can specify the location to see trends specific to a particular region or country. You can also adjust the time range to focus on specific periods, such as the last 7 days for the latest trends, or up to 12 months for a broader view. Additionally, select the type of search you're interested in, be it web searches, YouTube, or news. Focusing on shorter time ranges like the last 7 days, 7 days tends to be more effective in uncovering rapidly emerging topics. As you scroll down the page, keep an eye out for the Related Queries section. This feature provides a list of additional terms that people search for related to your keyword. For discovering the most fast-rising terms, change the drop-down menu from Top to Rising. This will reorder the list to show you what's currently gaining traction. Within this section, you'll want to pay close attention to anything labeled as a breakout topic. A breakout is a term for queries that have seen a spectacular increase over 5,000% in search volume, indicating a significant spike in public interest. For a more comprehensive analysis, try comparing multiple keywords. Use the plus compare option to add different related terms and see how they stack up against each other. This can help you identify which topics are gaining the most momentum quickly and give you a clearer idea of where public attention is shifting. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be well equipped to uncover rising and potentially valuable topics using Google Trends. Use this insight to your advantage, whether for creating engaging content, marketing strategies, or keeping up with global conversations. Happy trend hunting!